Hello, in this video we're going to be demonstrating the lane changing assistant using the all-new BMW 750i. First things first, you're going to want to go ahead and check your settings and make sure that feature is currently turned on. For that, you head into car, jump right into settings, you'll see driver's assistance, select on driver's assistance, driving, steering assistance, and from right here you'll be able to see this checkbox automatic lane change and make sure that is checked. Once you have cruise control activated, you have this mode button on the left side of the wheel. This mode button will help you switch between two different cruise control modes. You have assisted driving and distance control. You want to make sure you're inside assisted driving to be able to get this lane change done automatically. To activate the automatic lane change, you don't want to push the turn signal all the way down. You just want to push it to where you feel that resistance point. And whenever you feel that resistance point, you just want to hold it there. Just like that. Doing so is going to give you some visuals on the instrument panel, opening up that left lane and making that lane change. So that's how you perform the automatic lane change in a BMW. Is there any other specific features you would like for us to cover? Let us know. Leave a comment below and we'll be sure to make it happen.